plaintiff, Sarah Singer, started dating the defendant after they met online. And during their relationship, the defendant worked as an escort. Sarah claims she broke up with the defendant after she cheated on Sarah with a man. And Sarah's suing her today for furniture, appliances, and attorney fees. Defendant Amanda Pierce says she and Sarah bonded over the fact that they were both recovering meth addicts. And from the start, Sarah showered her with gifts in an attempt to buy her love. Amanda's countersuing because she claims Sarah harassed her and tried to interfere in her child custody hearing.
Start with you.
In December of 2015, Amanda and I entered a relationship. I met her online, on an online dating site. Things were going great. Since February of 2009, I've been clean off methamphetamines.
Good.
However,
How'd you do that?
How'd I do that?
Yes.
Pretty much all by myself, just headstrong, confidence, and family.
You just stopped?
Yes, sir.
It doesn't cause physical withdrawals?
It did at the time.
Like what?
Nausea, throwing up and
Okay,
withdrawal.
That's what I'm asking. Huh?
Withdrawal and shaking.
Pain?
Yeah, body aches.
How long?
Oh, for at least 2 months.
Every day?
Off and on, yes. It got easier as time went on.
Okay. How painful was it the first few days? Very or?
Very, very painful, Your Honor.
Folks need to know before they go to using it what's going to happen at the end of the road.
You're right.
All right. If they don't die or go to prison, they're definitely going to go through this.
Yes, sir.
So we got 3 options that they should be mindful of.
Yes, sir.
Death, prison, or extreme pain, right? That's what
Yes,
I'm
Your
trying
Honor.
to get you to tell people. All right. Well, you keeping this a secret? You got to tell people when you overcome something.
No, Your Honor.
So
I'm
other
very
people
proud
can
of. I'm
overcome.
very proud of my sobriety.
That's true. So thank you, and we're sharing. Be quiet. I'm trying to educate people about using crystal meth. You over here, Your Honor. I know what you're gonna say. She just used last month.
Defendant Amanda Pierce is being sued by her ex-girlfriend, who claims while they were together, Amanda worked as an escort.
What? What do you want to say?
Oh, I just wanted to comment. When I met her, that was what I was told. I, October 20th this year, had 1 year clean. And that was kind of a, I guess, way to have something in common to support each other. However, about 3.5, 4 months into the relationship, I found methamphetamine in her home and flushed it.
That's what you're going to tell me?
So,
All right, thank
Your
you.
Honor, I
Now, can we
disagree.
finish? We're trying to educate some folks, right?
Yes, sir.
Before she interrupt and tell the world that, no, you can't overcome it because she's over here talking about how she quit it. She didn't quit it at all. She's been using it just as of last month. So, that's not what we're talking about right now. All right, so congratulations.
Thank you,
and
Your Honor.
we're glad that you overcame it. All right, is she a dope fiend of any type or ever been one?
A few months into our relationship, I started noticing prescription medication coming up missing. Only to expect that it was Amanda.
What
I
type?
hated to what kind? Vicodin and ADHD pills.
Your Honor, that's not true.
Okay. What makes you convinced?
I'm convinced because she would ask from time to time.
Okay. And how was the relationship?
It was great in the beginning. It was really great in the beginning. I really loved her. I really had high
So how
expectations.
did it end?
Exactly on September 11th, I found out she was cheating on me. During the relationship that we were in, when she would need money, she would meet men for dinner, like an escort. And it's hard to even say during those dates for money what she was actually doing when I was
I'm
told
gonna
it
get
was
back to
only
that
dinner.
with you shortly. We have to allow her to speak some now. Go ahead.
Yes, Sarah and I met back in December online. It was my first relationship with a woman. And from this experience, I see why men say that women are crazy, because from the start, not even a month into the relationship, it was based off of, let me impress you. So right from the start, it's 30 days in, I get a $3,500 ring. I've got concert tickets, furniture, washer and dryer, radio systems, swimming pools, shoes, makeup. I mean, just $3,000 earrings for Easter. I was gonna get Christmas boobs this year, but that didn't work out. I even went to the appointment for that, the consult. Credit cards taken out to support me. From the start, she knew I was unemployed due to a car accident I was in. I have not worked since April of 2015.
Would you at least do like she says you did, escort her to dinner for money?
True. That's not true.
Oh, you never escorted men to dinner for money?
Your Honor.
Okay. The answer is no. You've never done that.
No.
Okay. Go ahead, ma'am. What are you suing her for today?
I'm suing her for furniture and appliances that I had bought her within the expectation to be paid back.
When?
The furniture was purchased on the 29th of February, and the appliances were purchased on the 27th of February. I was under the impression that she would repay me as soon as she got her disability.
How did you get this impression?
That was what we agreed upon.
Has she gotten it?
As far as I know, no, sir.
I have not.
Okay. And was that a condition of the purchase?
No.
Okay. And February 29th, did she buy you furniture?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And did you ever agree to repay her at all, ever?
No.
And February 27th, did she purchase either appliances or furniture?
Yes, I actually have the
And you
receipts.
never agreed to pay her?
No, I did not.
All right. Did she ever ask for money in exchange?
No.
All right. Good enough. And you say you asked her for your money?
It was under an agreement between the both of us that she would repay me.
Since that agreement, have you asked her to give you your money back?
No, Your Honor.
Why?
Because she had no income. She has no job.
So, does she have one now?
Not that I'm aware of, Your
So
Honor.
why did you now determine you wanted to ask for it, even though she is at the same position she was in when you thought you should not ask?
Well, to be quite truthful, we're no longer together. I feel that those are my items. I still owe on those.
Defendant Amanda Pierce is being sued by her ex-girlfriend, who claims while they were together, Amanda worked as an escort.
You tell me what you want me to know about all of this.
All right, Your Honor. In February, that's my birthday. So throughout the whole relationship, it was just buying, like constant. And
Like what big ticket items?
I've got, well, the ring, of course, the furniture and appliances. I've got a huge stack of just
Big ticket items, just tell me. Don't hand me a whole
swimming pool for the
stack.
backyard.
Pardon me?
A swimming pool.
Okay, how much was that?
I believe after everything was set up, it was around $700 or $800.
All right, what else? $700 for a kiddie pool for you.
Coach person wallet for my birthday. It was
Coach?
$1,000.
All right. How much was that approximately?
The purse was around $7 and the wallet was $300.
Do you think that was for your birthday?
It was for my birthday.
When was that approximately?
February 13th.
All right. So for your birthday,
The appliance,
you got
no.
that. Hold on. Let me just.
Okay.
Oh, not the appliance.
That was not birthday.
Just the furniture.
Just the furniture.
And the Coach bag.
I
Yes.
disagree, Your Honor.
All right. Good enough.
It was around her birthday, but I did not buy it for her birthday, no.
So it was just a coincidence that you bought it on her birthday. That's what concerns me. What about this Coach purse? Did you buy her a Coach?
I did buy her a Coach purse for her birthday, yes, sir.
All right. And you say the appliances weren't for your birthday. That was for what?
It was a surprise. I came home from staying the weekend at my parents' with my daughter, and the appliances and the furniture my dad and mom were involved in because she contacted them wanting it to be a surprise. My father actually helped move the old furniture out while I wasn't home.
Do you have something from your parent where she said to them, or it indicates she's making this as a gift to you?
I do.
All right, that's what I like to see. And ma'am, you want to stand? I see you raise your hand. State your name.
My name's Patricia.
What do you
Pierce.
want to tell me?
Yes, Sarah did give me a call and said that she had bought Amanda a new washer and dryer that she was expecting to get a used set that Sarah had found. And instead, she was going to surprise her with brand new washer and dryer.
Okay, did you do this?
No, Your Honor, I did
So
not.
the woman is lying on you. This woman came to court to lie on you. She don't have anything to do with this mess, I'm sure. She came to lie on you.
That's
Good
my-
enough. Do you have any text messages, ma'am, where you all have 100 pages between the two of you? I'm sure you have text messages where you discuss this at some point during the relationship.
No, Your Honor, I do not.
All right. Do you?
Your Honor, I have text messages that say, you know, working on your bills, all about just how it was constant money taking care of me.
Let's see some of them.
The ones not highlighted are more begging me, I'll pay you to come see me. Here's a $100 bill. If you stay the night, I'll give you another one.
Let
Come
me
get it.
see
It's
that.
all yours.
That ain't no woman. That's a... You wasn't
I
her
know it's
woman.
a
You
lot.
were her
I've
trick.
literally
Come
cut
on.
down thousands of...
I mean, somebody was tricking. That's called tricking. You know that, right? If you offered money for sex, that's turning tricks. Now, did you agree to it? Let me
No.
take care of you, baby. Please, I'm on my knees begging. I'll pay you more. Let me take care of you.
And I
She
was
shows you a
saying-
picture of a $100 bill.
And I'm saying, I don't feel good, I'll text you in a bit. I mean, it was constant, just begging, showing up at my home.
Just
knocking
come
on my
over. I'll
windows.
give you $100 right now.
Yes.
You come over.
Yes.
Did you all usually deal with each other in those terms? She give you money to come over?
Oh, yes, yes.
Your Honor.
How often?
Daily, either a gas card
you would've-
or a gift card or cash.
And it was contingent upon you coming to see her.
Yeah.
Your Honor.
Okay, did you look at that as I'm coming to see her and give her comfort or whatever it is she wants because she has offered me this money?
No, I wouldn't always accept. It was the distance.
Okay, so
About an
she'd
hour
say,
drive.
"Tell you if you come see me, I give you money."
Right,
And
so you have
sometimes
gas
you'd
to
say
come see me
no,
here.
and sometimes you'd say no, I'll come, but I don't want your money.
Right, correct.
Okay, good enough.
Correct.
No,
All right.
Your
In this
Honor.
instance, you didn't say that.
No.
But, ma'am, yeah, you keep interrupting. What do you want to tell me about offering her money, begging on your knees to see her, offering her money if she'll just come and see you? Explain that while you're interrupting. Start there.
Well, Your Honor, she would need gas money.
No, you begged her. I want to know about this. I begged
I
you
did.
to come see me for $100.
I
That
did, yes.
plays into her defense that all these things were gifts because you would regularly give her gifts just for her company and because you were so in love with her. And this text that she has given me from you indicates that as well.
Defendant Amanda Pierce is being sued by her ex-girlfriend, who claims while they were together, Amanda worked as an escort.
Your counterclaim for $4,800, how does she owe you?
Counterclaim. Well, Your Honor, at the end, this all progressed. It got so nasty that I had to get a restraining order. That was in September.
Why? What happened?
September 11th, there's actual pending criminal charges I can't discuss at this
Okay.
time. But vindictive enough to even contact my child's guardian ad litem. I'm in a custody battle with her father. I had
You
one.
told them what?
Told them a bunch of false allegations about
Ma'am,
me.
did you contact anyone?
I did contact.
Why?
Because I think they needed to know the truth of the daughter's safety.
How do you know about the daughter's safety?
I was around enough
And
to.
what would you see?
I would see her father leave, and when he wasn't supposed to leave, and he was supposed
That
to be
is not true.
the
Hold on.
supervisor over the child while.
See him where?
He would leave and go somewhere when he's supposed to
Leave
be.
where?
That is not true.
The house.
You would be there?
I would be there, yes, Your Honor.
So he left you when he left the child with you?
Well, by court order,
Had
Pardon me?
supervised visit.
it was her father that had supervision
Whoever
rights.
was there, when they left, you were still there.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, her father had supervision over Amanda and Alyssa. Her father would leave when he wasn't supposed to.
That is
And
not
you'd
true,
be
Your
there.
Honor.
And you'd be there.
Yes, Your Honor.
So the child was in good hands. So why would you say the child was in danger? You're calling some outside agency on this woman trying to interfere with the custody dispute that they have, because that is a valid allegation, ma'am. If you're leaving the child in harm's way, then yes, she has a duty to call an enforcement agency. But in this case, that's why I'm asking her, was the child in danger? Give me some examples. And the only examples you have given me were the times when you were there. Have a good day, ma'am. I do believe those items were gifts that you gave. I believe you're upset because you broke up with her. These
Your
indicate
Honor.
that you paid her money to come see you. I read it in these text
I
messages.
gave her gas
So
money.
anytime you would pay your mate to come see you, you would certainly buy him gifts for the household. Your claim is dismissed. Yours is granted for $3,000 for interfering with your custody dispute, which she admits to doing without giving me significant evidence that this child was in danger. Have a good day. That's my judgment.
You need to go somewhere.
Bye.
Yeah.
Karma's a isn't it?
Yeah, karma's gonna haunt you. It's gonna haunt you. Go ahead, somebody else dry, you dumb.